Requesting access to someone else's Shopify store is common when you're hired as a freelancer, developer, marketer, or collaborator. The store owner must invite you. You cannot request access directly from your side. Steps for the person requesting access. Provide your details to the store owner. Send them your full name, the email address you want to use for access. This becomes your Shopify login email. Your role or permissions needed, for example, edit products and themes, manage orders only, full access. Optional, your Shopify partner email if you have a partner account, helps with app installs. Ask the owner to follow these steps. Share this guide if needed. Log in to their Shopify admin. Go to Settings, bottom left, Users and Permissions. Click Add Staff. Enter your name and email. Select Permissions, Recommended, Limited Access. For example, Products, Edit, Themes, Edit, Orders, View, Analytics, View. Click Send Invitation. You'll receive an email from Shopify titled Invitation to Join. Accept the invitation. Open the email. Click Accept Invitation. Set your own password or log in if you already have a Shopify account. You're now logged in with the granted permissions.